Hello everyone and welcome to our monthly AWS Cloud series. In this video, we'll be exploring the latest features and updates in AWS, focusing on the highlights from the month of March. So without any further ado, let's get started. AWS Code Build now supports GitLab and GitLab self-managed. So just a quick recap. AWS Code Build is a managed continuous integration service provided by AWS. So now you can seamlessly integrate your GitLab and GitLab self-managed repositories with AWS Code Build. With this latest update, Code Build now supports a variety of source code providers, giving you more flexibility in your development workflow. Whether you're using AWS Code Commit, Amazon S3, GitHub, or now GitLab and GitLab self-managed, AWS has got you covered. So for more information, you can also visit their documentation, which will be linked down below. And for our next update, we're still staying with AWS Code Build. Well, I guess Code Build's wishlist got fully quicker than mine. And now AWS Code Build supports custom images for AWS Lambda compute. So previously, users were limited to utilizing managed container images provided by AWS Code Build. But now with this latest update as of March of 19, developers have the flexibility to use container images stored in Amazon ECR, which is the Elastic Container Registry. This means that you can now customize your build environment even further, tailoring it precisely to your project's requirement. But before you get all excited, be sure to go through all the limitations of AWS Lambda Compute and make sure that it does not actually hamper your project. And if you are curious about how to get started, head over to the AWS Code Build product page for detailed information and step-by-step guide. So coming to our next update, as of March 27, AWS System Manager now supports Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.9 and 9.3. So this means that System Manager customers running their instances on these Red Hat Enterprise Linux version have access to a plethora of powerful management capabilities offered by AWS System Manager. And talking about all the capabilities including in the System Manager, some of them are Fleet Manager, Session Manager, Run Command, State Manager, and the list goes on and on. And if you're more interested and want to learn about these services, make sure to check out their documentation and step-by-step guide of how to use these services. On to our next update, and finally, Amazon SES offers support for headers when sending email. And for those who are unaware of what SES is, Amazon Simple Email Service, or SES, is a cloud-based email sending service provided by AWS. It allows developers and businesses to send different types of emails efficiently and at scale. So with this latest update, customer can now have the ability to set custom headers for various purposes directly with the SES version 2 sending APIs. And personally, I think it's a simple but yet very useful update because now you can add that personal touch without needing a PhD in email formatting. So now customers can add custom headers seamlessly without the structured email sending APIs, eliminating the need to create a fully MIME compliant message content, which makes sending emails for developers and businesses very easy, because we all know sending emails got to be in the top 5 of the most hardest things in the world. For more details and guidance on implementing custom headers with SES version 2, make sure to check out the documentation provided by Amazon SES. Now for the last update for this video, Amazon DynamoDB now supports resource-based policies. Again, just a quick refresher. Amazon DynamoDB is a fully managed NoSQL database service provided by AWS. It's designed for applications needing fast and scalable data access. So now managing the access control for your DynamoDB resources has become more simpler and efficient than ever with the introduction of resource-based policies. So resource-based policy supports integration with IAM Access Analyzer and block public access. So it is actually a very necessary upgrade because it grants an overall control of who can access your database and what operations they can perform on it. So it actually adds another layer of security for your authentication and authorization of your database resources. So this new update adds smoother operations and enhances overall data protection so that it ensures proper security of your DynamoDB resources. So that concludes the updates and announcement for the video. If you found the video useful and want to explore more, you can always visit their official announcement page. And remember, liking the video and subscribing to our channel won't cost you a single byte of cloud storage. Surprising, right? So when I do it right now, and please don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms, which will be linked down below. Thank you for staying till the end, and see you in the next one.